Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching easy and quick. First click here and then type task manager, and now once you're here make sure Roblox isn't running in your background, so just keep scrolling down, and if you find Roblox all you have to do just right click on it and click end task, and if you can't find it then all you have to do is go here and type apps and features, and now type Roblox, click on it and click on install, and after that click here and go to command prompts, and now type cd app data / local and then click OK, and once you're here type rmdir, and after that type /s Roblox, and now just click enter and your problem must be fixed. Just install it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.